Enhancing cross-border cooperation in critical infrastructure protection. This part of the course delves into key best practices to facilitate effective cross-border cooperation in the context of critical infrastructure protection. By implementing these practices, stakeholders can enhance collaboration, information sharing, and response capabilities across international borders, thereby strengthening the resilience of critical infrastructure networks. Establishing clear communication channels. Effective communication is the bedrock of successful cross-border cooperation in critical infrastructure protection. Establishing clear and reliable communication channels between relevant stakeholders is crucial. These channels may include dedicated hotlines, secure email networks, and real-time communication platforms. Encrypted communication systems must be utilized to safeguard sensitive information, ensuring comprehensive and protected information sharing. Fostering trust and building relationships. Trust and strong relationships among stakeholders are essential components of effective cross-border cooperation. Building trust can be achieved through regular interactions, joint exercises, and training programs. These initiatives enable stakeholders to become familiar with each other's capabilities, build trust, and establish working relationships. Open lines of communication and collaboration foster quicker and more efficient cooperation during both routine operations and crises. Sharing threat intelligence. Timely sharing of threat intelligence is crucial to prevent and mitigate potential risks to critical infrastructure. Establishing information sharing mechanisms, such as intelligence fusion centers, can facilitate the exchange of intelligence between countries. These centers should include representatives from various relevant sectors, including government agencies, private sector entities, and international organizations. Sharing information on emerging threat vectors, vulnerabilities, and best practices helps in identifying potential risks and formulating appropriate countermeasures. Conducting joint exercises and simulation. Conducting joint exercises and simulations allows stakeholders to practice and assess cross-border response capabilities. These exercises provide an opportunity to identify gaps in coordination, communication, and decision-making processes. In addition to routine exercises, scenario-based simulations should be conducted to address specific cross-border threats and challenges. Post-exercise evaluations enable stakeholders to analyze strengths and weaknesses, implement improvements, and enhance overall effectiveness. Standardizing procedures and protocols. Standardized procedures and protocols streamline cross-border cooperation efforts by ensuring consistency and compatibility. It is essential to develop and implement common operating procedures across countries involved in critical infrastructure protection. These procedures should address key areas such as risk assessment, incident reporting, information classification, and escalation criteria. Establishing commonly agreed protocols and frameworks strengthens coordination alignment and facilitates swift decision-making. Leveraging technology and innovation. Incorporating advanced technologies and innovative solutions significantly improves cross-border cooperation. Utilizing cutting-edge tools such as data analytics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning algorithms enhances threat detection, incident response, and risk management capabilities. Additionally, leveraging tools like real-time situational awareness platforms, visual analytics, and predictive modeling improves information sharing, coordination, and decision-making processes. Training and skill development. Regular training programs are indispensable for maintaining and enhancing cross-border cooperation capabilities. Training should cover topics like cross-border incident response, crisis management, and information sharing protocols. Stakeholders should participate in joint workshops, seminars, and courses to exchange knowledge and enhance skill sets. By continuously investing in skill development, stakeholders strengthen their readiness to tackle cross-border challenges. In conclusion, enhancing cross-border cooperation in critical infrastructure protection is vital in the interconnected world we live in. By implementing the best practices discussed in this tutorial, stakeholders can fortify collaboration, information sharing, and response capabilities across international boundaries, ensuring the security, and resilience of critical infrastructure networks. It is important to foster relationships, standardize procedures, leverage technology, and prioritize training for stakeholders to contribute to a safer and more secure environment for critical infrastructures.